Welcome to Thumbnail Video Review. He's had too much caffeine with a lack of sleep. With his ADHD, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Welcome back to a Thumbnails Video Review / build. Now, we're going to be taking a look at Transformers One Classic Clash. Here's the side of the box. The back of the box. I'm hoping it comes with those. I have not opened this yet, so I don't know what's in here. Top of the box, bottom of the box. I'm not sponsored by Blockies, but if they want to sponsor and they're watching, so let's flip this camera around and see what we got. Get into said box.
Oh,
Without stabbing myself with my cutters, that'd be great.
Is that out of the way? Stop getting in the
Display stand. Oh, it does come with the blast effects. Oh. Yeah, scissors would be great. Oh, there's a little tabby. There's a little tabby that tells me there's batteries already in it. Little tabby. And then stop. Wow, the static is real with that bag. Like jeepers. Of the back plate, 2 transparent purple effects. Cool. 2 purple clear ball joints. There's this little transparent orange domey bit. All right, let me organize this a little bit better and we'll get back into the little bit of details. It says to please read instructions, all instructions before using the product. So let's pull the tab. It's engaged. And it does shine very brightly. So I'm going to set this off to the side and see how long it takes for it to shut off. Right up there. Yep, it just shut off. Different languages. Hooray for different languages. The only one I can read is that one. Now, with the display stand, it's pretty much a peg and port system here. You can do, it's pretty much the same either direction, which I believe is a slide over setup. Boom. Stand is put together. Into the book. The wife had to take a phone call, so here's a quick pan of the instructions. Pause if you need to. I'm going to slip over to a montage with some music, bits and pieces being cut out, and I'll see you guys when done. Tampo for that face. It is beautiful. Tampo underneath the actual pinkish transparent purpley plastic. Tampograph Decepticon symbols on both shoulders. Right down to Tampograph on the mid armor here. The rest is all done by color separation of plastic. And plastic separation on the back. I mean, he looks good. Hit this with a Gundam marker for panel lining. This thing would pop, or either do it as a black wash. Articulation, pretty damn good. We have side to side for the head, back and forth, up and down, and obviously 360 swiv, which is nice. 360 on the ball jointed shoulders with a little bit up there. However, with the way you build it, up to there. Shoulder pads move. So they can go down, up, and you also got drop down on the shoulders for that, giving you a little bit of a butterfly because of the range of that ball joint. 360 bicep swivel. Single joint elbow, 90 degrees. You get a nice range with that hand outside of the 90-degree elbow and the rotation in the bicep. But that gun hand, that is it. Got a 360 on the waist. Nothing fancy, no ball joint, no nothing. You do have hip skirts that kind of sort of move out of the way for an outward. Not really much more than that. However, we'll get to that in a second. Kind of kicks forward that much. Kind of kicks back that much. Now, let's engage the drop down hips. Now we can get some boot and a little bit more out, but the shape cut for the ball joint stops there, which is not bad. Jean-Claude Van Damme, toes up all day long. Deep double jointed knee, deep bend, beautiful. Like I said, you got the above the knee twists. You also have a little bit in the ball joint in the thigh, so you can have the thigh rotate naturally with it. Get a good decent amount of ankle pivot, rock, twist, up and down. So that ball joint on the ankles is good. Holy bejesus, the wind blowing hardcore. If you hear it on the mic, I apologize, people. We saw the little bit of the light in his chest earlier. He looks good in the chest. That follows. And the eye lights up. Yeah, it doesn't matter which way you turn the head because of the way the clear ball socket works. The eye is going to stay vibrant. And that is my look at Transformers One Shockwave from Blockies. Classic class. Thank you for sticking around this long. I know this was a longer video. It was kind of like a build video type deal thing. It's not terribly too long. I'm going to edit and chop up a couple of things, so I'm going to shrink it down. But please, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun doodads. Most importantly, have yourselves a great one. Love y'all. Love your faces. Peace.